And I'm not going to say once upon a time, I'll just talk about last 3 years. In last 3 years, this is the third time we've seen this kind of a correction. The correction could be triggered because of Ukraine or Russia crisis. We don't talk about it today. Then it got triggered because of high interest rates and high inflation. We don't talk about it. Today what we're talking about is a dollar-led, dollar strength correction or the welcome back Trump correction. All I can say is that both Gautam and me would agree that this is passé now. When the correction hits you, it will test your temperament. It will force you to rethink. It will tell you to commit more to discipline. But that's what markets are all about. You know, they keep on periodically keep on checking your patience, perseverance, and also your risk management with something which needs to be maintained. So Gautam, let's wrap this lovely discussion with some names. I'll put the time horizon and I'll keep everything else open. 12 months plus. Give me your top large cap idea, mid cap idea and small cap idea. And I'm just going to say to our viewers that the disclosure would be that Gautam and his clients may be invested in them, or they are planning to invest in them. So that is the disclosure, Gautam. Let's get the list going now.
See, I don't want to comment on mid caps and small caps. I don't think that would be right, because for that I'll have to give update to your viewers on a regular basis given the kind of volatility we've had. But I think among the large caps, I would definitely go with the Bajaj Finance in the NBFC space. I've been a big bull on it for a while now, and I believe that it will deliver over the next 12 to 18 months. I'm a firm believer of SBI and SDFC Bank doing exceedingly well from here. I think the downside is limited and the upside is quite large. In the auto space, I do believe Tata Motors, Maruti and Eicher Motors have the potential of doing something special over the next 6 to 12 months. So again, those are three bets which we like. In the real estate space, you really cannot go wrong with the Oberoi Realty and DLF. In fact, DLF being a favorite for almost 4 years now. So I think some of these 2-3 stocks also stand out for us. So I'm looking at this basket, and I would also want to add JSW Steel and JSPL in metals. You know, I've purposely spoken about top quality large cap names, and I do believe that these large caps, once the market stabilizes, can give you mid cap returns. I think people need to lower their return expectations. Every time I spoke to people, they said, which is the stock which is going to double? Now you should ask the question, which is that stock that can give me a 20 to 40% kind of an upside when the Nifty environment is about 10 to 15%.
All right, Gautam.